What's new, crew, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra, and today I'm just gonna do a short little intro, just a small little video, and we're gonna be talking about the kickoff to Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas this year, at least that is my hope. I might be setting expectations a little high for myself, considering that we are adding a new baby to our family, and I might be a little crazy, but I'm gonna set out the goal. I'm going to do it. Here we are. I made the choice to be doing Vlogmas my way. So typically, if you don't know what Vlogmas is, it is when people will put out a video every single day through the month of December, hence Vlogmas. However, I'm switching the rules because it's my channel and I can do that. So I'm going to be posting a video every weekday, Monday through Friday, basically from the 1st all the way down to Christmas. In total, that is 17 videos, and then I'm just going to stop uploading from Christmas until the beginning of the year and take those couple of days or whatever it is off, and I will see you guys back in January with a typical 2-day-a-week upload schedule. But we're heading into Vlogmas. I am going to be uploading Monday through Friday all December long. However, not all videos are going to be videos like this. Some videos might be through YouTube Shorts, things like that. So you will either get a short video from me, whether that be baking cookies with me in a YouTube Short, so you just get the recipe and it's a really short, easy, quick video to watch with the recipe linked down below. Maybe I'll do the same thing with like a crock pot meal or cook with me or something like that, all the way to long sit-down videos where we're talking about Christmas budgets and stockings and Christmas gifts, all the things. So not all videos are going to be Christmas related, but a lot of them are. I have already pre-filmed a couple of them. I'm very excited for you guys to see them. So we're just gonna kick off Vlogmas, having a lot of fun. But what I would love for you to do is let me know down below in the comments of this video any videos that you guys would like to see heading into Vlogmas. What do you guys want to see from me, whether that be cookies, baking, recipes. Of course, my regular grocery hauls will be going up in December as well. I'm hoping to do meal plans. I want to share my Christmas meal plan with you guys so you guys can get some ideas there as well. I'm very excited. Lots of amazing things happening for Vlogmas, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I would definitely suggest making sure that you're subscribed, hitting your bell notifications so that you can see when videos are going up, because they might not all be going up at 9 a.m. like they typically do. They might be going up a little later in the day if, you know, I get behind a little bit. So I would definitely recommend hitting that notification bell, subscribing, and then that way you'll also get a notification if I end up uploading a YouTube Short instead of just a typical video like this. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me just for a couple minutes today, and I will see you guys December 1st for the kickoff to Vlogmas.